Hi guys, in this video I want to discuss why digestive issues are most common in the springtime. Spring is a wonderful time of the year, we all love it, but many people may notice some interesting things going on with their digestion during this time of the year. Like your stomach suddenly become more sensitive, or you have bloating, or acid reflux, or other digestive issues, and you may think something wrong with you, but in many cases, this is just a normal seasonal shift in the body. I also experienced that myself. I started having this spring like uh, occasional heartburn and couldn't figure out what's going on, but luckily have some good um, medicine, herbal medicine that helped me, which I want to share with you. And I also dig in deeper to figure out what exactly going on with our body during this time and why it makes sense to have those issues sometimes. So, number one is, we're just shifting from the heavy season to spring, right? From the winter to spring. And, we ate heavy food. We stay inside, we didn't move as much. And now, with all this seasonal changes, our metabolism become more active. So it's absolutely normal to have some recalibration in digestive system to adjust to the season. And so another thing is like in traditional healing medicines like Chinese medicine or Ayurveda, this is the detoxification season where our body is kind of detoxing all those um, heavy food, like lots of protein, mucus in our body. And it's related to like organs like liver and gallbladder, which is, directly related to our digestion. So it may be some, irregularity there. And we just need to support those organs during this time with, proper food and proper lifestyle. Another factor, a lot of people don't realize the connection between allergies and digestion. Springtime or spring allergies can increase level of histamine in your body. And histamine is the chemical compound and neurotransmitter that produced by our body's white blood cells that acts as a signal to regulate the immune responses and inflammation and also digestive functions. So histamine can increase the gastric acid in your stomach. And that's why allergies could show up in your body as, stomach cramps or acid reflux or, irregular digestion. Another very practical thing that could affect our digestion during the springtime is when we switch suddenly to the raw food and we just eat a lot of salads and drinking smoothies or eating a lot of raw vegetables. It could be really tough on your stomach because we need a slight transition to from winter to spring because as our digestive system recalibrates, you may need a certain softer foods, like maybe you can steam your greens or kind of steam your vegetables so to be more easier to digest for your stomach. So if your digestive system feels more sensitive during the springtime, here's the few tips that I would recommend. Like early in the morning, start with a cup or two warm water with the fresh lemon juice. Like squeeze half of the lemon there. If it's too sour, just, start slow. That will really help you to with detoxification and dehydration. Start your digestive fire and maybe wait for 20 minutes before you eat, or I normally go and do the light exercise or meditate. The second thing is add bitter herbs to your diet, like mustard greens and arugula and dandelion. They will really stimulate your digestion. Then, herbal teas, like gentle herbal teas, like chamomile or coriander, fennel tea is like amazing for digestion. Then you can also add the ginger with lemon. It's really good for your stomach. Also, add a little, I know if it's uncomfortable for your stomach, it's hard to do exercise, but go outside and do the gentle movement. Spend time on the sunlight, helps with your immune system as well as your digestion, because you still need to move. You still need to move blood in your body to kind of help with all those processes. And chew your food properly. Spend time, slow down. That will help with your digestion and absorption. And um, one thing that I need to um, remind you is take care of your nervous system. That is as important as taking care of your digestive system, because when your nervous system is calm, that's when digestion works the best. And from my personal experience, what really helped me this season is the essential oil blend called DigestZen, which is DigestZen, which is product of the doTERRA, which I'm partnered with doTERRA, and I use their essential oils. They are cleanest oils ever, and I'm really happy that you can ingest them internally, and that helps a lot. Like, this has really helped me with my heartburn. I have no issues anymore, and I use that on a regular basis. I add the drop into my water bottle so I can drink it during the day. I can, or if you need, if you're sensitive to essential oils, like, take it internally. There is a like veggie caps that let me show you, like this empty kind of capsules. Then when you can put a drop or two and just take it with water, and that is amazing. I think everybody should have it, and especially like when you travel during the springtime, where there's a lot of bacteria, then you maybe not exposed. Like, a lot of people going to Mexico, going to other countries for the spring break. This is must have in your purse, because that will save your life. You will never have diarrhea or some issues with your stomach when you have this in your purse. So, and I hope at least it works for me that way, and I hope it can work for you. So, and if you need more information about it, I'll leave everything below this video, and feel free to contact me so I can explain you everything about this product. Anyway, spring is a beautiful time to reconnect with our body and give it the nourishment and care that it deserves. And if you feel like your body needs deeper reset of your nervous system, I created 7 days reset program, which specifically designed to calm your nervous system and to reconnect with your body. So feel free to reach out. I leave all the information again below this video. So thank you for the listening, and stay healthy this spring. And I'm wishing you the healthiest and happiest springtime. Enjoy it, and we'll stay in touch.